Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer Toncoin from Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer Toncoins from your Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper, you'll need to initiate a withdrawal from Telegram wallet and then deposit it to your Tonkeeper wallet. So simply open your Telegram app and then navigate to your Toncoin you want to transfer. Simply tap on send or withdraw to start the withdrawal process and then paste the Tonkeeper wallet address into the recipient's field. After doing this, select the Ton network to ensure the funds are sent correctly. After doing this, simply verify the amount and address before confirming the transfer. Once this is done, simply finalize the transaction, and once the transaction is confirmed, it will appear in your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.